Alright. Today we are at Tropicana, Las Vegas. Fortunately, with these elevators, they are going bye-bye. These are former Westinghouses. As you can tell, yep, these are former Westinghouses. Scare cab view, nice elevator. Those are your buttons, micro motion. That's your indicator. LCD. Alright, up to 22. You can hear the old motors of these elevators. Yep. Alright, let's go to scene. Let's get off there. Well, here we are. Well, but anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye. Alright. Oh, gee, that is loose. Today we're at Tropicana, Las Vegas, Nevada. To notice, M2. Alright, up to M. Look at that. Look at that look at that vandal resistant lantern. This elevator is also going bye-bye. Along with the Paradise Tower. Alright, we're gonna go to M, we're gonna get off there. Alright, here we are. Well, but anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye. Alright. Oh, look at that green button. Today we're at Tropicana. Las Vegas, Nevada. These are Otis elevators. Come on, close up. Awesome scenic view of the strip. There's New York, New York, MGM Grand. Right down the P. I like the scenic view. Sad it's going bye-bye. Along with those elevators. And the bungalows. Right here at the ground. Right up to 21. Alright, there goes the door. Right, we're gonna go pee and we're gonna get off there. Right, there it goes. I'm sad the scenic view is going away. I mean, literally, this is awesome. Well, here we are. Well, but anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye.